Well, hello everybody. Danny and Wanda back from Pecan Grove. Well, guys, the day has come. We have waited and waited and waited, and finally we got the knives in that you guys have been asking about. We went this morning and picked them up. Well, guys, we're at Deep South Cutlery here with Mr. Billy and them. They're unloading, coming back from the show, getting their stuff put back. And we are about to open up some of these knives that we just got from Bear and Sons here. I haven't seen them.
Yeah.
I don't even know what I ordered, to be honest with you, because Seth only had the small one, and I didn't know what the large ones looked like. I don't want to pull it out and cut myself.
They are short.
Look at that.
Okay, so we got to be where we can see.
That's Pecan Grove. This is cherry handle.
That's pecan, isn't it?
No,
That's the
that's
cherry?
cherry.
That's the cherry.
Are you sure?
I'm positive. That is the cherry.
That's the cherry.
Wow. I was thinking pecan, but look at the other side.
Look at the other side there. Isn't that pretty?
That is pretty. I was expecting to be red.
If you waxed it,
It would turn red?
I would imagine.
Okay.
I'm not sure, but you know more about that than I do.
Yeah, it looks fine to me.
I was expecting red, but that is, look at the, what do you call that?
It's the grain right there.
You see what the pecan was? Oh, I can already tell. You can tell the pecan, can't you?
I can.
That's what it is, they're real tight in there.
Look at that. Isn't that pretty?
Ooh. And again, they've got Pecan Grove on the blade
Yep.
and the number. Like that one, I saw number 30
Yeah.
on that one.
Boy, that's
Let
pretty.
me look.
They come nice sheaths also. The sheaths are pretty nice.
I like that.
I love the look of the handles. Boy, that's pretty.
That is beautiful.
And the sheath, okay, it goes on the belt. I was looking to see what was there.
I want to look at the pocket knives now.
This is the cherry. Didn't we
Yeah.
do cherry with these? Oh, I love it.
Look at
Oh,
that. Oh my goodness. Look at that.
That is beautiful.
Isn't that
And
a-
it's got Pecan Grove on the blade.
Oh, that's.
Look at
Okay.
that.
That one I
Now,
might-
show the other side.
Look at that.
There it goes. There it goes.
That is
That's going to be kind of speckledy. It's going to be an awesome look, isn't it?
awesome look.
What do you think about them?
I love them. He made us one. I'm gonna get Seth. Come over and show him what we got made. Walnut.
I heard you say walnut. Oh,
Look at that. Isn't that pretty?
Deep South coon skinner on the blade. Got the coon dog tree.
I love that.
That is pretty.
Those were hot. Come on, we got them hand delivered. Which all these were hand delivered by Mr. Ken.
Yeah.
He brought it to us. I went from his Jeep to my truck.
I saw in the video you
Yeah.
shot up. I saw it. He said, "There's 3 boxes." I said, "Well, I know what that is."
Two of them y'all, one of them's ours.
Yep.
Yeah.
Wow.
Right back. These were hot commodities though.
They sell good?
Pretty good for for fixed blades. Pocket knives always sell better, but fixed blades are.
Well, it's hunting season. Is what I was thinking. And people need Christmas gifts, and
People need fixed blades on them. They need to tow fixed blades.
you need it. Yeah.
I towed one for years, fixed blade on you. You get
Yeah.
one that I'm gonna figure out a scout carry sheath for this to tow it with me.
This is number 01 here. I didn't realize that when I grabbed it out of the box.
Oh.
And that is the cherry?
That's the cherry. Yeah.
That is just amazing. That look at the,
What you got to do with that knife to get you got to tilt it a little bit to get it.
Okay.
I just figured it out. I had trouble with ours
take
too.
that one out and let's look at the number 1. I mean, look at that. Flip it over. That is pretty.
That's beautiful. We have 25 of each type of knife that we had made. Now, y'all had already seen we had some trappers made last time. We used all pecan wood, but now we have some trappers made that we used cherry. Now these trappers are just these. This is the most gorgeous knife I think we've ever done. And then this one we had In God We Trust put on the side of it, and then for the blade, we had Pecan Grove put on it, our logo, and In God We Trust. Guys, this is one beautiful knife made out of cherry. We thought the pecan was what was really good, but the cherry, oh my goodness. You have to remember that each one of these knives are unique to their own self. No two knives will be the same. When you get a knife, it will be a one of a kind. And another thing, because these are a limited edition, once we get through with these, we're not doing this anymore. Each one of these knives right on the end right here is numbered. So they are numbered right there. And they will be with a corresponding box that's also numbered. That Bear & Sons is the ones who have custom made all these knives for us. Mr. Ken has been gracious to do these for us. Very nice man to work with. And Mr. Billy Ray down at Deep South Cutlery. If y'all are interested in other types of knives, you might want to go check them out. They have auctions every week on their knives. And they have some really, really good looking knives down there. I looked at some today that just blew my mind. And I'm learning more about knives. I had no clue that there was this much information out there about knives. Now, this particular knife here that we had custom made, now this is a cherry handle one, made by Bear & Sons. It comes with a leather sheath in it. This is a 7-inch Skinner knife. Now, this is a cherry handle one. Let me get it turned to where the Pecan Grove is in the right position there.
And the number on it is right.
Yeah. The number for the knife is on the blade up there. And each one of these handles of these knives will be very unique also. No two of them will be the same. I like it. We chose this because it was a good feel in my hand. I have bigger hands. This knife feels really good in my hand. And it is a fantastic, for you guys who who do a lot of skinning and stuff like that, this is the ideal knife for skinning. This is a 7-inch Skinner. Now, it comes with its own sheath. Now, because this is new, lots of times when you go to put this knife in here, the knife will not go back in it. It's because down inside this sheath is a hard plastic insert. And because all of this is new, the plastic insert is not broke in, so sometimes you may have to put it like down on a point or something, take your hand and bump it. And that will cause that plastic to expand in there where it will go in and out smoothly. So once you do it a couple of times, it goes in and out very smoothly. Now these are carbon steel blades on the 7-inch Skinners, plus the Trapper. All this is American-made carbon steel on those. Now, that was a cherry one. Let's look at the pecan one, because we have a limited edition of the cherries. Also,
Both of these will be cherry.
these are all American-made in Alabama. Now, this one, guys, I'm never amazed at just how beautiful wood can be. Look at that pecan. Isn't that beautiful? I mean,
the number is on the side there.
look at the pecan wood on it. No two of them will be the same. Every one of them will have some kind of different feature on them about the way they're made. And this is identically the same as the other one. It's a 7-inch Skinner knife. Comes with its own sheath also. And guys, this is just in time. Lots of y'all were asking for Christmas presents and stuff like that. These are fantastic gifts for if you have hunters in your family, guys who like to hunt. These are fantastic gifts for those. Many of y'all had asked us if we would have these knives made, and we said, well, because y'all asked, we decided to go ahead and do it. And remember, there's a limited amount of pecan, there's a limited amount of cherry, and these are all cherry. There won't be any more. It will be no more of these knives once they're gone. Wanda and I just did it this year because our subscribers asked us would we do this, and they would love to purchase them for families, for Christmas gifts and things like that. So we took the initiative and went to the companies and asked them would they do it, custom make them for us, and they said that they would. And guys, I hope and pray that they're as much a blessing to y'all. Now we're going to keep them for our own selves for also.
We're keeping those. That's ours.
These are ours right here. We're going to keep these, and I might have a few Christmas gifts that I'm going to give out too. So we're going to keep a few for Christmas gifts, which even limits the supply down even more. So if you are interested, go check out our Etsy store at deepsouthhomestead.etsy.com, and the knives will be over there. And then remember, once they're gone, it's not going to be any more. And you might want to also go check out the websites for Deep South Cutlery, Mr. Billy Ray and his son Seth. And you might want to go check out Bear & Sons, Mr. Ken. Check out his website. There's many different kinds of knives. Guys, I don't know how many kinds of knives there are. Wanda and I, every time we go in, we're blown away. You know, Seth showed us 2 today, that there is a 7-year waiting list for these knives. For one knife is a 7-year waiting list. He got his. I'm like, who waits 7 years for a knife? But they're that special out there. And I just did not know that people did stuff like that. They're custom handmade knives. So check out the Etsy store, guys, and get your knife before they're gone, because when they're gone, they're gone. Thank you guys from Pecan Grove.